Hello, and welcome to today's core vocabulary lesson. Words that you will be introduced to today will be found in Unit 1, Lesson 4. Let's get started. Saffron. Saffron is a noun, which means it is a person, place, or thing. It is a spice used for cooking. Here is a sentence that uses saffron in context. The chef used saffron to add flavor to the vegetables. Parroted. Parroted is a verb, which means it is an action word. Parroted means to repeat without understanding. Here is a sentence that uses parroting in context. 3-year-olds are often caught parroting phrases they don't completely understand. Wafts. Wafts is a noun, which means it is a person, place, or thing. Wafts is an aroma. Here is a sentence that uses wafts in context. The wafts of coffee from the cafe smelled delicious. Gladiolas. Gladiolas are a noun, which means it is a person, place, or thing. Gladiolas are flowering plants in the iris family. Here is a sentence that uses gladiolas in context. The gladiolas were blooming vigorously in the garden. Smugly. Smugly is an adverb, which means it is a word that describes a verb. Smugly means to say with confidence that one is correct. Here is a sentence that uses smugly in context. The learner smugly and disrespectfully answered the teacher's question. Innards. Innards is a noun, which means it is a person, place, or thing. Innards are the internal part of something. Here is a sentence that uses innards in context. The innards of the sandwich were so thick I couldn't take a bite. Thanks for joining me today for our core vocabulary lesson.